Guys, welcome to this live video. So today I'll be talking about automation, like automating multiple tasks that can be done by the computer itself instead of you wasting your time on those stuffs. As an entrepreneur or as a small business owner, most of the time you'll be doing repetitive tasks that come and are like repetitive. So there are most softwares and web apps that you can use to automate those softwares and save time. In fact, it has saved me a lot of time. You can connect like a lot of apps and have these automation softwares do a lot of stuff for you. So most categories of tasks are to be found here, like emailing, like calendars and scheduling. Let's say you can schedule that whenever someone sends you an email, it goes to your Google Calendar and you reschedule for a reply that you reply him at certain time. So for example, if you get all emails from, let's say all emails that come from people who work at a job, I have to reply at them immediately. But if all emails coming from, let's say, my client's website domain name, let's say if all email coming from online spare parts, and I have to reply them at the evening, so I can automate that. Whenever there is an email, this software goes to my Google Calendar and then it adds that a reminder for me to reply them at 4 p.m. So this saves you a lot of time of checking like your inbox at like frequently, because you know at some time you'll be replying on those emails. Yeah. So the other thing you can do, let's check here. For example, let's check on social networks, because most people spend most of the time on a social network. Like you go there to share your post and then you end up scrolling through everything. So there are stuffs you can do. Maybe, for example, you can make it that on Instagram, let's say for example, because that's what seems to be wasting most of people's time. You can see one of my applets. By the way, I'm using this web called IFTTT. It's one of these automation web apps available. You can also use Zapier.com and a lot of others. So here's one of my applets. Whenever I post an Instagram picture, it is treated as a native photo. So I'm doing two things at the same time. Instead of having Instagram post it on my Twitter, I can post it as a native tweet using this. So what I have to do is just go on Instagram and post, and then the software will do it work and then auto retweet, auto post it on my Twitter. The other stuff you can do is Instagram to Facebook fan page, or you just, whenever you post on Instagram, post it on your Pinterest board. All those stuff that you have to do at the same time. You just have to do one action, which is a triggering action, and then the software handles the rest. Yeah, you can also save all your pictures to Dropbox and such stuff. So what I like about these softwares mostly is they save you a lot of time, and then they make you appear big. It appears as you are using all those platforms at the same time, while what you're doing is actually doing one stuff, and then this software works for you. Let's look at Google Sheets. You can use Google Sheets to archive every tweet you post, and then you save it to this Google Sheet. It's over here. So you can, at the end of the day, you can track, or at the end of the course, you can track how many tweets you've been sending out at what times and those stuffs. You can also record your calls. Every call you make from your Android, you can code those calls to a spreadsheet. This is done automatically. You just have to make a call and then it records it automatically. So at the end the quarter or the month or the year, you can like reanalyze and say, I've been calling this person this frequently or this much time. Yeah, so guys, if you are a small business owner, go check out IFATTT, or even if you are a student or anything. And then also check out Zapier.com. It does the same thing even though it is paid. Zapier, the easiest way to automate your work. Like Zapier does a lot of stuff. It connects apps instead of just doing one task. So go check it out and then let me know how it worked for you.